So where I'm going wrong. So design, select data, add. So target value. Target value is this. Mhm. This is okay. All these things are right. Okay. I think that's just a game in it. So this is where is the dot? Somewhere is the place in 10,000. Place in 10,000. Somewhere is the place in this is little tricky. So uh, yes. Why this is not showing on the what just a game a minute. So uh, not showing the line only. Okay. Okay. Mm, design. Select the data. Add. I need to select this. Okay. Okay. Then chart. So this. $5,000. So little complex thing. Chain with data series. So cluster column is fine. So data series. Select the data. And what is the 5,000? What is the line should come here? So I take this gate. Come here. What is the value? Okay, maybe that line is taking. So I take the sheet. Maybe formatting. I am not able to see that. So so target line. Maybe I would not visible. So design. Select the data. I so this name. 5,000. This chart series. So yes. Select the data. This correctly. Then chart series. So I select this. For this I'm stuck. Okay, so one more method, this method I'll tell you. So one more method is we have the target line here. We'll see that, okay. why that is not appearing? I'm not able to still clueless. Just a minute, I'm trying the other way method. So line should come, but two ways we can do. This is a one way we can do it, but it's not allowing me. I don't know why. So this is line. Okay. Okay. So this is the one more method we can do that line chart. So now you can see the line here, target line. Okay. This is the one more way we can do it. So see here, the target line is because based on the target line, see, when we change here, automatically we'll get the target line. Okay. So this is the one more way, we can see the target, which is see that what are the divisions and which is the month we can reaching the target. This is an easy way. This is not a problem. So other way also I trying I'll see how it is. So target value should appear for the all the dates. Okay, place in the sums separately. We refer that target value for all the dates, all the months. So this we need to take a chart type as a line. So I'll show it again. So I'll go back. So first I need to give the chart for all the values. Okay, bar chart. So this is the target, for the all the months target the same. So we need to select and the chart change series type. So we here we need to change to line. Okay, so line automatically appear here. See here, automatically line appears. Okay, so insert line, so delete it. So this is a target line. Whenever you change the target line here, so that target will change here. That automatically line will also appear here. Okay. Now I change here, change the type. Now see XY scatter. This is alone changing all. Change the type. Supposed to be scattered the chart. So scattered, scattered line. It's not the change like this. This is 5,000. Which bar is this? This is the one. This changing. No. So instead of this, I am changing design. Select the data. Wait, this is not changing. I don't understand. Change type series. Uh, no, it's not correct. Everything is getting changed. Mm, this is a little tricky. So I've done this, but it's not working now. No way. Uh, change the data. So they're not seeing the plotter only. Why the color? Anyway, I'll show the next session that on why it is not working. I will do that. But this is a one more way we can see the scattered chart. Means line chart. So place the target value for all the months. Then that one you need to take it as line chart. So series edit. So this values we need to take here. Okay. Okay then. So as of now, you do one thing. So select the target line, internal target line, insert chart. Okay. So this chart, this target line bar. So change series as a line chart. Okay. So select here. So select line chart. Then give OK. So change chart type. So go to line chart. So line chart will appear here. Okay. So based on the change, automatically we'll get the change in the line. So I was trying for the other method also, but not happening like now. I'll tell you. Okay. So based on the change, so automatically line will change. Okay. So this is the target line, what we place in the chart. Okay. So other method I was trying, I'll show you the next session. So I don't know why that is not happening. But line chart not happening, but whatever the scattered XY scattered, it's not appearing. I'll tell you. Okay. So this line chart understood this one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is very easy, so no need to worry. One this manually we can change what are the target we have. So automatically we see the change here. Okay. Now this bar also. So add the data labels here. So keep one label. Okay. Other labels you can delete. See here. So click and one more click, delete it. Okay. So all the data labels not required here. One label is enough, whether start or end or keep both the sides. Whatever the you want, you can place the target line like this. Okay. Now when it's change here, So automatically, we'll see the change. The similar kind of what I was trying, like, other method. So, but little tricky, but we'll see that. Okay, but this is the easiest way. So we can get the target line also. Use of here target line. See what our meeting. So we can, that target line passes through this bars. Okay, so this is the one more method for the target lines. Okay, so from next session we'll see the all the charts now. So what are the charts and how you can use it, or what you can use it, all the charts. See that. Okay. So we'll refer, like, all the charts one by one. So few charts already we know that, but other charts also we can discuss. Okay. So any questions as of now? Yeah, charts.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Answer.
Yeah.
In this, not in this one, in the previous one, when I tried to do, the overlapping one, meeting the
Okay.
target and not overlapping.
Okay.
This one.
Ah.
In my case, I don't know, the first value, A column data, it is overlapping, but it is not, it is not overlapping completely. You can still see a little part of it.
Yeah, we need to see 100% overlapping. See here, data series. We can see we can show the 100%.
I did 100% still showing.
Can you share your screen?
Sure, sir.
I'll allow you to share 1 second. Share the screen. Where is it? Now you can share the screen. Sharing. Okay. See here.
Why my yellow is coming on blue on top?
Okay. So 8657 16. Click on this blue bar. No. This thing. 16 and 16.
16.
Add a data label for that. Add data labels. 8657. Yeah. 9374 is showing. That is the reason.
9354 only. No, really. 169354. So this is all 9354.
Okay. So blue also, like, add that at level 8657. That's the reason. So see, selection one is the top, one is down. Na? Selection. No, the selection, you do one thing. So fresh, you can delete this chart, delete this chart. Selection is wrong. That's the reason. Delete entire chart. Put chart again. Yes. Okay. Then again, go to design. Okay. Add. So chart down, series value. Okay. Okay. Now go to
this will be.
Yeah, from there. Yes. Okay. Now see exactly it's coming. Now you do.
Okay, maybe I have included the first one. That's
Yeah,
why it was not.
that's the reason. Yes, yes. Yeah, it's coming.
Oh, it is nice.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
it is coming correctly.
Good, good. That's selection vary, no? That's the reason. Any other questions from anyone?
No, sir. Nothing from me.
Okay.
Stop
So,
sharing.
yeah. So I think that's all for today. So that one line, like one more line, little tricky, but that's good actually. One value you can, instead of this all the values, you can show only one value. You can do it. That's why I was trying, but I'll tell you next session. Okay. So before that, I have given two questions pending. One is text related, sum if, previous one, then this one. So these two will try it. So every week one challenge will give you. So work on this entire week. You can play around with this and get the answers.
Sir, yesterday I tried with that sum if, sir. Agli ladu option.
Madi. One more.
Aage illa, sir. That remember the data month and you're giving received total rejected.
Yes, yes.
Adu not moving. Try ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು.
So then again you will try so that you can get this. Okay. So these are like tricks you will come across while doing complex one. So this is how anything you can get you think and you'll get the answer. Excel is very um, possibilities to do everything. Okay. So that you keep in mind and check all the formulas, small, big, don't, no difference, So all the formulas, think which is the formula one side, logic one side, both you need to sync so that I can get the idea to which formula can use it.
Sir, so once we frame the formula, when we pull it down, it should work across the column, right?
Yes.
So basically, the answer you're looking for is the months where there is minimum and maximum across.
Yes, exactly. Minimum,
Yeah.
maximum. So, see, different regions have the different businesses. So I need to.
Yeah.
When was the last minimum? When is maximum month?
So basically, sir, there'll be two formulas, right? One for minimum, one for max.
I don't know.
And then after you have to show the result, which is my minimum. You have to pick the month, and then otherwise pick the max month.
I don't pull me to in the logic.
No, you said one formula, so I was just thinking if you want to incorporate both the formulas in one.
Sorry. Very good. Okay. So given formula in this same cell, in the copy is shown.
Okay, cool.
No, Danny, there are Anand sir is requesting 2-3 you can say 2-3 command. One he wants minimum, one he wants maximum, and then when he wants minimum, the date month should appear. So obviously there are 2-3 formulas are there, not one.
Combination of formulas there, but this formula copy across, it will work.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Correct.
So very interesting one. So this is the one of the activities people take a lot of time. So maybe 1,000 lines, 1,000 to 3,000. Imagine they used to get manually like that. So now no manual required. That's all. It will come automatically. Okay.
Okay, sir. Try ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Now I can add one more question to this. Okay. This is a project related again. Okay. Now see, this is this also some kind, but I don't know. Don't ask me. So here, like this is like projects kind of thing. Okay. So this is very important. Okay. Now I'll think. Now now these are the projects. Okay. These are the different projects in the client. So client wants to know these the projects. When is the start date? When is the end date? Start month of the project, end month of the project. We need to know. We'll give you the details of that. So start month, see this start month is April. So I need to get April here. Then end of the project is like, the gaps are there, but end of the project is here. When you see this, end of the project is this. So this is September. Okay. These are also very, very important. Clients wants to know these details. When did the project started? When project end? This is the data, master data. From the master data, you need to give start month, end month. Maybe projects like starting from January to still continue few months. Okay, I need to Jan and December. Few months, starting middle and end also middle. Okay, so don't think this is all the manual work. People doing manually taking a lot of time. Please do this with formula. Okay. So understood the question?
Yes, sure.
Yes, sir.
So two
Yes,
questions. So please try. Don't ask me. I also don't know the answer. Okay. Okay. So try it.
The second one is really tricky, actually.
I know. Okay. This is a required in all the projects. People literally no, not all projects. So suppose depreciation chart is there. So, depreciation, which month started, which month ended for the particular asset. So start and end is very important. Not only project, for any business kind. These are the data required. Client will give one data, one report. So when is the start, when is the end? Not only I gave only 1 year. Suppose maybe 10 years data they give. When is the starting? When is the end? You need to give this. Very important for a business point of view. So literally people are doing manually.
Okay, sir. We'll try to do it.
Yeah, please.
Agli andre you are there now next Saturday.
But no, immediately I don't do that. So after struggling, please see. if you expect anyway, he will give the session answer. In the
No. I will show you my struggles. Don't worry, sir.
yeah. So please try it. So why I am repeated telling, when you try not only one logic, maybe you think unwanted, no, maybe you think like, I'm wasting entire day, entire week, entire month, no. You, without your knowledge behind, lot of logics will be generated in your mind. That will be somewhere other you can help. Okay, so very important. Nothing, you are not wasting time. So don't think like that, but try. Okay.
Sure, sir. We'll
Sure,
try.
sir.
So I'm telling you, repeat. When I give the answer, you will lose the learning. You try the thing, you will increase the learning. That's all. Okay. You decide what you want. Okay. That's what advanced
Okay,
exercise
sir.
is about, right? Not learning the new formula. New formula. See, as of now, did you see any new formula we discussed? No, right? All we discussed in the basic Excel. Here only logic combinations. That's all. Okay. We'll see next week. So if any questions, I take it. Otherwise, I'll close the session. 2 minutes later, 3 minutes.
No, sir. I think.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. I'll send the recording after 1 hour. So
Okay, sir.
yeah, thank you. I'll send the file also.
Okay, sir.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye.
Bye.